Did you ever wonder if you could keep exploring the world as you age? It's easy to believe travel is only for the young, like late-night parties or vigorous sports. But let's challenge that idea right here. Imagine a finely matured wine or a robust cheese. Travel too enhances over time. After all, who else can truly relish the marvel of a Grand Canyon sunset, the complex design of the Colosseum, or the lively chaos of a Tokyo fish market than those who've garnered travel in your later years? Isn't just about checking off destinations. It's about discovering new experiences, making new acquaintances, and creating unforgettable moments. Keep that suitcase handy. Traveling isn't just a youth's game, it's a game where experience is key. And who holds more experience than our seasoned citizens? Experience is the best teacher, so let's hear from those who've been there and done that. Let's kick off with Martha, a 75-year-old travel enthusiast who led her tour in Paris, all while juggling a baguette and a map. Then we have Frank, an 80-year-old daredevil who plunged into skydiving in New Zealand. When asked why, his response was simple: why not? You're never too old to try something new. We also have the lovebirds, Ethel and George, who rekindled their vows on a gondola in Venice, leaving their gondolier so touched that he broke into an Italian serenade. Lastly, we have Harold, who ended up exploring Nova Scotia instead of his intended destination, Sydney, Australia, due to a ticket mix-up. His advice is to double-check your tickets, folks. These stories are proof that age doesn't limit the spirit of exploration. Whether leading a tour in Paris, taking a skydive in New Zealand, renewing vows in Venice, or probing Nova Scotia by accident, these seniors show that life's adventures don't cease as we age. In fact, they might just be getting started. Are you enjoying the journey so far? Then let's continue this voyage together. When you click that thumbs up, you're virtually us and aiding our growing travel faction. Sharing our guide with your circle could prove beneficial for their voyages. Your support fills us with gratitude. Make sure to tap like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. Now that we've established that age is no barrier for travel, let's dive into some practical tips for our senior adventurers. Begin with packing. The goal is to pack light. Choose items based on and variability. Next, focus on your destination. Consider factors like climate, terrain, and healthcare facilities. Remember, the journey is as crucial as the destination. Travel insurance is a must-have. It's not exciting, but it can be a lifesaver. Now let's talk about accommodation. Look for places that have amenities catering to seniors. Online platforms can be helpful in finding such places. When it comes to food, be careful. Trying local cuisine is great, but stick to reputed places. As for transport, public transport immerses you in life, but hiring a car or using taxis could be more comfortable. Don't hesitate to use mobility aids for ease of travel. It's important to let someone know about your plans. In case of emergencies, this can be invaluable. The crux of travel is to relish the journey, soak in the sights, meet interesting people, and try new things. Remember, preparation is key to a smooth and enjoyable travel experience. And with these tips, you're ready for an unforgettable adventure. Happy travels! To sum up, age should never be a reason to stop exploring. The world is full of adventures, ripe for the picking, regardless of age. Traveling is not just about seeing new places, but the experiences, stories, and memories you gain. Remember, every wrinkle is a testament to an adventure lived. We've covered travel tips for seniors, hoping they'll assist in your journeys. Age is not a barrier, but a gateway. Embrace your age and use it to explore. Happy travels, seasoned explorers.